Hello and welcome. Today we will look at what's new in MoonHug editor, and we will do it by looking at changelog. And also I prepared a list. So here messages aren't that clear, and here I summarized them a bit. So what's new from 0.1 to 0.8? First, semantic versioning. When writing specific commit prefix, bot updates version. It's for fix and fit prefixes. Yeah, pretty simple. So it's just to give these numbers to track. Inline field tag to inline structs and unions. Yeah, this one is pretty good. For that I will have to show tween class. So here we had this base tween field, which in inspector it looked like a foldout, and it took time to open it, to close it. So I have added this inline tag, and now when looking at tweens, here they are, we see these fields are inlined into the same inspector. Continuing. Skip tweens with skip flag. So right now there is no undo, so if you remove something, it's gone forever. And this skip flag allows us to turn on and off tweens without removing them. Next is max pullable count. It's just an integer to pullable. I will maybe write it like this: pullable max, and here you provide the count. Yeah, so components are created in pools, and previous value was always constant, and now it can be specified. Next addition is, let me check here, transform destroy flag for delayed transform destruction. It's same way as Unity does. It allows us to process all the transforms up to the end of the frame. So no transform destroyed in the middle of frame. Next, hierarchy context menu items. Okay, let me show them. Here is hierarchy. When I press right click, when I right click, we have this context menu with create empty child, create empty parent. Yeah. Now it looks like a bug. Something happened. No, it's not that big of a bug. It's because of coordinates. Okay, and I don't have undo, so I will just remove it. Yeah, so buggy here. I will have to investigate. Let's try again. Yeah, same bug. So sorry. Next, we can duplicate. So now we have two of these. If I move it to the side, yeah, look at the rendering. Yeah, so rendering also has to be rewritten, but not right now. Okay, next. Next would be a reset procedure. Yeah, so it's what Unity provides. Editor only procedure. It runs when we add component first time, or when we press specific reset context item. Context menu. So let me start the editor again. Yeah, so I have maybe Actually, we need a different scene. This one is bullet. We have a little bullet here, another circle, and we have lifetime. So I make it like this, press reset, and it's back to 1. And in code, it looks like, let me show it, component lifetime. Yeah, pretty simple. So we write reset, then name of the type, pointer to lifetime, and then here. Okay, back. More component context menu items. Let's look at it. Yeah, we have copy component, paste component is new, paste component values, move down. If I hold shift, it's move to bottom. So if you have 10 components and you want something to move up or down, we have it here. Next we have a remove component, and this one I already can remove. This was just to show context menu can be extended. And now we have different items here. Okay, next. Move up, move down, move top, duplicating subtrees. Yeah, I already showed that. Component fields, copy paste. Yeah, this one was the biggest one of all. So right now it's possible to right click fields and get this copy paste. Yeah, if I specify something here, copy paste here, it works. Same for dynamic array. Oh, maybe I will paste like this. Yeah. And we also can copy arrays. If I remove something, then paste, they are back. Unions also work. So let's copy C and replace this B. Oh, nice. Holy crap. Yeah, a lot of work to do. I actually even want to retry it. It was so great. So copy in C and pasting into B, and we crash. Nice. Okay. What else? Yeah, it's fixed size. What could be wrong with it? Okay, I will investigate. And if I copy here from A to another A, it's fine. If I paste into C, it's also fine. But if I copy this C and paste into A, it's also fine. But if I paste into the last item, also works. But if I paste into the B, also works. Okay, maybe it's a memory issue. As I said, I need memory guide. When I have memory guide, I will follow it and there will be less bugs. And the last but not least is on validate proc for components. We could already see it in lifetime. Here it is. When duration will be 0, it will be kept to 0. Pattern is same. You write on validate, then name of the type, pointer to that type, and you can work with it. So if I go back to program, to editor, then find lifetime, and let's not open other scene, just let's add lifetime. Reset was called to add 1. And now if I increase it, or everything is fine. If I move it less than 0, it's kept. Same if I do it by hand. Yeah. And that's all for this, from 0.1 to 0.8. See you later and bye.